Welcome to our technical channel AX and SQL. Today we are going to show how to create project on particular layer. Like there are a lot of layer you can see here. It's showing user USR layer. Just all jobs these are created in bracket. It's showing USR layer. Microsoft has uh, released a new version of AX, and AX 2012 is the before of this Dynamics 365, and I am showing these things from Dynamics AX 2012. For any user, if you want to check what a usage log means what user do personal settings for particular report, like setting of query range and any adding any field to the particular form. Then it's called as usage data. It's all stored in one table. We want to see where is usage data form. Just go to file option, tools, then options. Here you click usage data. Then all usage data, form selection usage data, form setup usage data, what user, which form they have, what activities done, all things here recorded in usage data form. This is report section, range section, and here all usage section. Particular link you can click on data. You can see it's in container form. So here you can get some idea of usage data. If you want to reset usage data for particular user, then here is option to delete all user specific selection. Click reset. Here click reset. It will delete all your personal setup for form. This is not permanent, because anytime you can reset, then your changes you done on form or report for selection purpose, for ranges and other activities. But there is no any harm on your existing permanent records like sales order, purchase order. Record will be remains in table. This usage data not linked to those records. So understanding user data is very important, because some new people can afraid of resetting the user data. And if you see, right click personalize, then you can see the name of table where it stored. This is its last value. So if you want to delete user data for all users, then you need to write a query here. You can create new jobs. I have already created for deleting use logs. This is commented, and one more batch of history are also creating use data for batch job history. You can check from system administrator and batch jobs. For particular batch job history, you can check from here. Whatever is in waiting state, you can get batch job history. For all batch job history, this is form either You can delete from here directly. Controls A select, then your delete button is there. You can either delete from here, or you can write a query to delete before particular some date range, so it will delete it. And second, I'm deleting the usage data. When I run this query, it's telling some error in your code. Just check error. This need to be declared. I'm declaring the same name. Error will resolve. You can clear, it's done. Looks. Now if you go and check the usage data, for this user, nothing is there, everything gone. So if it is become very large data, then you need to reset it periodically. You can set this job in batch by using a class, batch job class you need to create. So you can set periodically to clean up your batch jobs. Second point, I want to show how to create particular layer projects. To create project, just you need to go to private project. I'm deleting this. To create new project, just give name. Yes, are layer objects. Just open this project. Just put on advanced filter. Select AOT here, append option, and go to select. Select your layer which you want to see in your project. And click on OK. It's now creating your projects. All user object will come into that project. You can export that project. Look, here all user layer object has been created. For time, for sometimes you need to do estimation on user layer or cus layer object. Provide estimation to the client. Then it's easy way you can export this project. Here option is there, project export project definition. If you click on export project definition, then only object name will export, code will not get exported. So if you want to see, then you can try this. The export label option is there. You want to export label, then you can you need to untick the export project definition. Select export layer, select your language, then click on OK. But if I want to show only project how to what will do export project definition, just click on OK. Go to your project. This is just see only name of the project, what is name of things, group, properties, web menu items, URL. As export you can take in Excel and remove unwanted lines like SSRS report, reports. You can get unwanted line by removing. You can get the object names only. Like here is giving the name of view. So this is the way where you can export your project definition only. So I hope you got good points in this video, and if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you very much for watching this clip.